Hey guys, how's it going? So I just thought I'd do an update here on the Rochester just to show you where we're at here. So got the main body here all cleaned up. Well, it's as clean as it's gonna get for now. Afterwards, I gotta go over it with some brake, either brake cleaner or carburetor cleaner, just to fine tune all the cleaning. So that's all out of the vinegar. It came up pretty clean for the most part. Did the base plate here too. It's looking a lot better than what it did. Just want to show you a few items here I got. So I got one of these. It's like it's not a screwdriver, but it's you can put these these fittings in it here. I've had a lot of these wire brushes, and I use these just to go into all the areas in the carburetors to kind of clean everything else out. Any debris that got in these vacuum tubes or all the fuel tubes and stuff like that. And there's another thing you can do as well. You can get a Scotch-Brite pad and clean your base plate here. You just go like take it up and like this. That'll clean if you work out your surface like that, it'll clean it off nice and good. That's what I'm gonna do on this. But if you're gonna do that, just make sure you go with try to go with the grain of the metal. So I mean it's like a machined surface, so just go that way there with it. I'll probably end up doing the same with the surface on this as well. I'll go over that just until we get the whole carburetor all spick and span. And I started doing it too on the bottom of this thing here, so just pretty basic stuff here. I mean, this kit here I bought was like, I think it might have been $10 or something like that. It was on sale up at Canadian Tire, so the only thing I really need to get now is basically a carburetor kit, and hopefully some other parts too. Maybe then we can put it all back together there. So a lot of wire brushes too. So yeah, I think that's all I got for now. I just want to give you this update video just to show you where I was at with Rochester. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. Cheers.